are learning from our mistakes.
Yes,
Mistakes
you're
are
right.
good.
And
जैसे बोलते हैं दाग अच्छे हैं. So we we should say that mistakes are good.
yes, yes, mistakes are good, and after mistaking, we can learn new things. Without mistake, how you can learn new things? If you want to do anything in your life, and that will be new things, so definitely you will have to do mistake. After mistaking, definitely you will learn new things, and that's why I don't think about my mistake. And whatever people want to say, they let them say anything, whatever they want. Yes, yes. So good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Very good morning. How are you?
Yes, I'm well. What about you?
I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. It's my day off, so I'm enjoying my holiday.
Yes, yes. Okay, so ma'am, we are meeting for the first time, and we don't know about each other, so it is necessary that we should introduce ourselves. So would you like to first introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. As you know, my name is Ghazala, and I'm from Allahabad, UP. And I have completed my post graduation in economics, and I have a degree also. Right now, I'm teaching in a school as an English teacher. And yes, I'm learning this language nowadays. So I'm practicing this language on this platform. That's all about me. If I talk about my hobbies are cooking and listening to music. And but nowadays I don't get time for my hobbies because my first priority is English learning only. So nowadays my whole sole focus is on learning this language only. So
Okay.
it's my little, it's my small introduction. Please tell me about yourself.
Yes, yes. I can say that it is appreciable. Your introduction is amazing, and nice to hear it that you are also English learner and you have been speaking well English. I can say because I have watched your videos. That's why I'm talking about it. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. And you know that I'm Suklal Hasda and I'm from Eastern Jharkhand of India. And if I talk about myself, that nowadays I can say that I am also a YouTuber. I have just started a YouTube channel, and it's been I can say that 2 months after starting a YouTube channel. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have done a graduation Bachelor of Arts. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like reading books, travel, swimming, and conversation English like this with the people. Yeah, I can say that it is my brief introduction. Yes.
You like reading also.
Yeah, yeah.
Which type of books do you like to read?
Yes, yes. Usually, I used to read any kind of story books. Like I prefer any kind of book, like any kind of children book, especially like 4, 5 class books. And I used to read the books for improvement of the English. I can say because
Okay.
nowadays
This
I'm
class third and fourth class English book is very useful for us because if we are beginner, then that books are very useful for us because the conversation are very good in that on that book. I also read
yes,
that book, and yes, those books are very good. So you are doing good. Means you are reading books. You are and especially reading story books. And I think that books are very helpful. I think for you learning English.
yes. It will be very helpful for those all people who wanna speak English and who wants to improve their speaking English. Because after reading the books, if I talk about the benefits of reading the books, I can say that after reading the books, I can understand that how they are making sentence structure, how they are framing the word, and I can learn many like new words. Yes, and after I can maintain my fluency after reading the books. Yeah, that's why I always prefer to read the books every day.
Yeah, you're from Jharkhand, and I think Jadu is also from Jharkhand.
Yes, he is also from Jharkhand, and but we are not from one district, and he is from another district, and I can say that he is only 150 kilometers from my home. Yes,
Okay, I thought he's your neighbor.
yes, and many people wanted to know about me. They asked me that are you
But
neighbor and
the tone
are you
is same actually. The way of speaking is same. That's why I'm asking, is he your friend, your neighbor?
no, I don't know about anything more thing about the Jadu. Just I know that he's from another district, and yes, I can say that he's my friend. After came in this field, when I like that I know about him, and I tried to connect with him, and he accepted me, and we had done two conversion already. Yes, and
Okay,
I yes.
okay, that can I haven't seen yet, but definitely I will visit to see that conversation. Because who is your inspiration? Why you are learning this language? Who inspired you to learn this language?
Yes, very good question you have asked because many people want to know about myself. Yeah, because nowadays they are watching me. That's why it will be helpful for those who want to speak English. So, if I talk about my journey and my inspiration, if I talk honestly, there are not any inspiration. I can say that I am the person of self-motivated person because
Okay,
I can say that I can say that it was an accident in my life when I can say that when I passed matric, and I can say in 2012, and at that time it was my desire from my childhood that one day I will speak English, and one day I will talk with the people in speak English. It was my desire, I can say, when I was passed matric in 2012. But when I was practicing English that time, and that time I had not a smartphone, and you can understand in 2012 that there was not a 4G connectivity, and
yes,
I had a keypad mobile. That's why I could not resorted. I could not resorted anything from the social media in that time, earlier time. And when I was speaking English, and there were so many people and who have insulted me, and but I can say that that was my turning point for learning the English. After that, I decided to learn this language. I determined that time I will have to speak the English somehow. I will have to do anything for learning this language. After that, I started like studies basic grammar rules. After that, I did practice myself because there was not anybody for helping me, and there was not any friend to talking in English with me. That's why I started to do like study basic grammar rules to practice myself. Yes, so I can
okay,
say that there was not anybody who have motivated me. I can say that that was my desire from my childhood. But I can say that a lack of environment, and there was not any environment in my village. And that's time like that. Now we have been using these kind of apps, but that time there was not any kind of app. So that's why
hmm,
I can say that, there was not an environment to connect with the people.
I
Yes,
can understand. Yes, I can understand because you are living in village and sometimes it's become very, very, very hard because the resources are very limited in villages.
yes,
So,
yes. And if I talk about second region, that my second region is that I came to know that it is global language, and after knowing this language, after speaking, you can get like priority in order to finding any good job. Yeah, that's why I thought that I should learn this language. And suppose I will have to go outside, like south part of India, especially. So they will speak Kannada, Tamil, yeah, Kannada, Telugu. So it will be very difficult to understand how you will talk with the people. So it will be very difficult to interact with their people. So it will be helpful when you will speak the English because English is a global language. That's why it will be spoken by many people. Yeah, it will be benefit. I thought that's why I'm learning the English.
yes, you are right. And I like your that statement that you said, I am a self-motivated person, and I like it very much because yes, all the time people say he is my inspiration, who is my inspiration, she is my inspiration. But you told me that you are a self-motivated person, and it's very good because if we have firm determination to do anything, then we can achieve anything. And what you are doing nowadays, because you are speaking very good, very fluent English, and still you are living in a village. It's very good because we have lots of resources, we have lots of facilities in cities. Still we make excuses that, oh, how can I learn this language, we don't have any partner, we don't have that environment. But you are living in village and you are speaking very good English, and you are self motivated, and you are inspiration for all of us also.
Yes, thank you, thank you, thanks a lot for your
Really,
compliment. Thank you
I
so.
mean it because a couple of days ago I talked to the Hati madam also, and yes, she is amazing. She speaks very good, excellent English. She speaks,
Yes,
and
I have watched
she
the video.
also, yes. She also lives in village, and she told me about her life that her schedule is very tight, and she do a lots of work in means at farm, at home. Every time she is very busy. Still, she is speaking very good English because she has firm determination. Anyhow I have to learn this language, and I'm seeing that thing in you also, because you are speaking very good and very good and accurate English also. You're not making mistakes. I make all the time mistakes,
No, no, no,
but you are
no, ma'am.
speaking
No.
very
Don't say like this. You are better than me, because if I talk about my accuracy, then it will be better that I can say that you are better than me in order to accuracy. Because for like if you will try to speak fluently, so definitely you will sometime you will have to do mistake like this. It happening sometime with me. Yeah, after recorded video, sometimes I watch that I will find out that mistake. That you
yes, but
speak
we
fluently.
are learning. We are learning from our mistakes.
Yes,
Mistakes
you're
are
right.
good.
And
जैसे बोलते हैं दाग अच्छे हैं. So we we should say that mistakes are good.
yes, yes, mistakes are good, and after mistaking, we can learn new things. Without mistake, how you can learn new things? If you want to do anything in your life, and that will be new thing, so definitely you will have to do mistake. After mistaking, definitely you will learn new things, and that's why I don't think about my mistake. And whatever people want to say, they let them say anything. Whatever they want to say about me, I just to do my work, and definitely one day I will get success. Yes.
Yes, you are right. And okay, Suklal, it was really a very good session. This was really very productive session. And today I'm feeling very good, very happy. I don't know why, but it was really a productive session, and I enjoyed a lot. And definitely, if you will give me time, then I would like to take one more session with you, because today I'm feeling very good, very light. I don't know why.
Okay.
And
Okay.
you also motivated me a lot that your 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 statement will struck me all the time that you are a self motivated person, and I want to become like you, that I should also be a self motivated person. I don't require anything to motivate myself. I'm enough for myself.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, okay, it was really a good session, and I will I would like to connect you again. Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay, have a
Okay,
nice day and nice to meet you.
same to you, same here. Bye.